I'm Kelly, and this is my son,
Ian.
and we're excited that you're interested in learning about Young Living essential oils and how they can help you live a healthier, chemical-free lifestyle and save you money. That's right, you can get rid of the toxins in your home by using essential oils and making your own homemade cleaners, beauty products, and more. Oh, and I haven't even mentioned that Young Living Essential Oils has an incredible mineral makeup line called Savvy Minerals that not only performs beautifully, but also is good for your skin as well. So Ian, what's the first thing they need to do in order to get started using and enjoying the benefits of Young Living Essential Oils?
Get your kit.
That's right. You will first need to pick one of the 4 premium starter kits. So for instance, if you're interested in using essential oils to make homemade cleaners, homemade beauty products, or to diffuse essential oils in your home, then you're going to want to pick up the premium starter kit that comes with a diffuser. You'll get to select your favorite diffuser, but I highly recommend starting with the Desert Mist Ultrasonic Diffuser. Now, if you're interested in using an incredible line of mineral makeups that is not only performs beautifully for your skin, but will also nourish your skin as well, then you're going to want to pick up the premium starter kit that comes with Savvy Minerals. Now, the third kit that you could choose from will help fuel your body with the nutrients it needs to help give you the energy so you can power through your day. This premium starter kit comes with Ningxia. It is packed with superfruit juices, wolfberry puree, and pure essential oils. Now, the last kit that you can choose from will rid your home of any harmful chemicals, and you can replace them with natural, healthy alternatives. This kit option is called the Premium Starter Kit with Thieves. In here, you will get a complete line of home and personal care products that you're gonna love. Oh, Ian, we have to remember to tell them about the freebies that we'll give them if they purchase a Premium Starter Kit from us. What are those
A
freebies?
$20 gift card and a rations guide.
That's right. If you purchase a Premium Starter Kit from us, we'll be happy to give you a $20 Amazon gift card and a reference guide so that you understand your essential oils. Oh, Ian, what do we want to invite them to do?
Join our Oily Friends Facebook group.
That's right. We would love to have you join our Oily Friends Facebook group. You can treat this group as your personal online resource to understanding essential oils and ask any questions you have about Young Living essential oils and their products. In this Facebook group, we also share helpful DIY video tutorials so you understand how to use your essential oils along with your products. Plus, we show you how you can save money with Young Living essential oils as well. Oh, and if you want to make money selling Young Living essential oils, we would love to have you on our team. Wouldn't we, Ian?
Yes.
So please go ahead and click on the link below to pick up your favorite premium starter kit. And if you will, join our Oily Friends Facebook group. We would love to get to know you and follow along on your oily journey. Thanks for watching.